Hello everyone, if your Highguard is stuck on this loading screen after you find a match, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Highguard easily. So first off, you're going to close out the Highguard game, and after that you're going to open up your games platform. You're going to right click on your Highguard, click properties, go into installed files, click verify integrity of games files, and once it's done with that, you're going to click browse on here and go to your Highguard's games folder. I don't have Highguard installed on my computer, so I'm going to show you a different game. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your Highguards folder and you're going to right click on Highguards exe. So for example, this is Highguards exe. You're going to click properties, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into compatibility, click run this program as an administrator, also click disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply, okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to select your network connection here, click properties then, and then you're going to go into internet protocol version 4, click properties again, going to use the following DNS server addresses, write in here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK again, and now you can go ahead and try to play Highguard, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You'll be able to play games now. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.